Hello, this is Sam. In this video, you will see the capability of our business process automation applications on eBA integrates with Halo Smart Sensor. With the aid of the integration between two systems, once Halo sends out an alert, it will trigger an application in eBA. And once the application is started, then we can follow the eBA flow, enter the information, and save this into the database. Let's get started. This is the homepage of Halo Smart Sensor. Halo Smart Sensor monitors and alerts on air quality, security, environmental measurements, chemical, and audio levels. As you can see, now all these items, they are in green color, meaning they are in the safety level. And once there is any abnormal value or alert that is detected by Halo Smart Sensor, its color will turn into red. And then Halo Smart Sensor will trigger its alert system and notify eBA accordingly. And once we receive this alert, eBA will trigger an application automatically. Now let us get into eBA. After we log into eBA, we can find the application is triggered automatically and it has been sent to the responsible person based on the workflow. And this is the record that the system created automatically. We can open this one and the Halo message will be sent and recorded in this eBA application automatically with the date and time and also the information. In addition, the data will be filled in this eBA form as well. Those will be recorded in our system. As we have the information coming from Halo is ready, then we can also continue our workflow in eBA and save this record in the database based on the workflow that we have in this application. It comes to the end of my demonstration of eBA and Halo Smart Sensor integration. You're more than welcome to contact us to schedule a free demonstration session. Thank you for watching.